Hey guys, it's me, Angel Elias, making another video. Some of my friends said, what do you need to build a computer? Mostly you need a case like this one. I got from my friend, got it from his house, 20 bucks. And I cleaned it out and all that. And I wanted to make a video of me cleaning it, but it just got too long for me to do it. And, this thing is stuck. It's hard to do it with one hand holding the camera. There we go. Got that off. Yep, took that off. And this is how it didn't look like this before. It was super dirty last time. I had to take this off, but I bought some thermal paste and put that back on and it works much better. Did the same thing to the graphics card. Took the thing off right. Oh. Wow, that thing does work like a sync now. Last time I never got like that before. That's crazy. I guess that did work. I put thermal thing on there and it worked. Oh, that's probably why I got hot. I forgot to plug it in. Me damn dumb. Lucky me that it didn't go out right when I was playing games. Or is it backwards? That's why it's not going. Oh gosh, lucky I opened it again. Oh gosh. I don't know. Whatever. Yeah, I got this from my friend Christian. Yeah, helped me out. But yes, the thing you need is some RAM sticks. This is not RAM. This is actually DDR2. It's 8. I think it's 8. It's 2, 4. It's 4. Yeah, 8. So yeah, and this graphics card is not a really good one, but plays really good cartoon games. Like maybe it can do really good on CS:GO, but I don't have CS:GO. And yeah, and I can upgrade to a bigger graphics card because I got my 6-pin right there. And I will make another video for that when I get it. So yeah, and you just need the CPU, RAM, motherboard, power supply, maybe some other fans if you want to keep it cool down. You don't need a graphics card. Usually the motherboard comes with its own right here. This is just the graphics card right here. Yeah, I cleaned it out really nice, took out the dust and all that. It was like so much dust in this one. It looked like Chewbacca's fur, I guess. But now it's cool and all that. Yeah, cleaned up these two. It was all dust in there. Dust in there too, but I cleaned it out. And it had a password on it, but I took it off. I just installed Windows 10 instead of Windows 7. If y'all need help doing that, I'll help you out. If you want Windows 10, any of my subscribers, just send me a message or something. That's all. And yeah, that's all you need. I'll show you how it runs in just a second. When I mean about a second, I'm gonna take like forever.